So, okay, so we are going to start the class, boys and girls, and we have one small competition. I'm going to give you 10 points. How many points? 10 points. After a student will complete his speech, okay, or his topic, you are supposed to ask the doubt. Okay, there are many doubts. For example, if someone is speaking about the colors foundation, you are supposed to ask, what do you like best in color foundation? Or if someone is speaking about Shahnwaz sir, you are supposed to ask, do you know where Shahnwaz sir lives? Or if you're talking about corona vaccine, your topic, or space or internet or anything, you're supposed to ask the question. So who will ask the questions, they will get 10 points. So once they complete, boys and girls, once they complete, you're supposed to ask the questions. What will happen? You will get more knowledge. Okay. So as per the rules and regulations, the first to start the class will be obviously Kulsum. After Kulsum, it will be Akram Khan. Okay. And after that, it will be Naushaba Hassan. Okay. Then it will be, yeah, Sayyid Fari we have. And one by one, everyone will get the chance. Okay. So unfortunately, yesterday, okay, Akram Khan was saying about the vaccines, Covishields, and it was so much knowledgeable. And I hope everyone understood. But unfortunately, we could not continue because the time got over. Okay. And we could not continue with that. So Akram Khan is going to continue today. So, but as per the rules, Kulthum said yesterday itself. Nazi Ahmad, please mute yourself. Nazi Ahmad, please mute yourself. Yeah, congratulations. Oh my God, baby was crying. So as I was saying, let us start with Kulthum. She has reserved her topic yesterday itself. After that, it will be Ikram Khan, and after that, it will be Nausaba Hassan. And once again, I repeat, boys and girls, you are supposed to ask the question. Who will ask the question? They will get 10 points. And at the end of this class, I will be declaring the winners. All right, boys and girls, unmute yourself, and you're supposed to say, yes, sir, we understood.
Yes, sir, we understood.
Yes, sir, we understood.
Yes, sir, we understood.
Sir, we
Sir,
understood.
one more question. If a trainer is explaining something,
Yeah,
the
please
trainer
continue.
have, they can ask the questions for the students based on the topic.
Yeah, you mean to say trainer, right, Gosha Begum?
Yes, sir. If I am
Yeah,
explaining
yeah.
the topic of politicians, I have some question based on you and the students.
Yeah. Trainer versus students, students versus trainer, students versus students. Anyone can ask anything, okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you, Gosha Begum. All right, Kulthum, I hope you are ready. Please start.
Yes, sir. Can I, sir?
Yeah, please.
I'm on loud and clear.
Yeah, you are very much loud and clear, and I wish you all the best and good luck.
Thank you, sir. A
All
warm
right.
good afternoon to one and all present here, my dear participants and Colors Foundation and respected our training observers, sir. So I would like to start with an activity before I start the class.
Yes.
I have a small activity. It's called an riddles. I want everyone to answer it if they know. Else
Yes,
I'll give you.
Yeah, no problem.
Can I
Please
start?
start. Yeah, all the boys and girls,
Everyone is
please.
ready?
Yeah, we are ready.
Yes.
My first question is, what has to be broken before you can use it?
Egg.
Sorry.
What is
Egg and coconut.
an egg?
My second question is, okay, thank you. Yeah, correct. My second question is, I am tall when I am young and I am short when I am old. What I am all?
Candle. Pencil.
Candle.
Candle or pencil?
Candle.
Yeah, both the answers are correct. Thank you.
Okay,
My next question is,
One
what
second,
is
Kulthum.
yes, sir.
Yeah, so let us declare the winner. Safa Sheikh, Sahar, and Anis Fatima. Excellent. You gave the right answers. Okay. Okay, please continue, Mikulsum.
My next question is, what is always is front of you but can't be seen?
Mirror.
Air.
Sorry.
It's air.
Can you repeat the question again?
Yeah, sure. What is always front of you but can't be seen?
Shadow.
Air.
Air.
All right, boys and girls, please wait. Let us
May I
listen the
say?
right.
May I say?
Yeah,
May I
Bushra,
say?
please say. Yeah,
It's future, right?
future.
Yeah,
It's
exactly
maybe
right.
Air.
Busha is right, sir.
Okay, Bushra gave the right answer, boys and girls, and the right answer is future. Okay. Okay, please continue, Mikulsum.
It belongs to you, but others use it. What is it?
Name.
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 It's your name.
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 Yeah, it's correct.
Wow.
Everyone has it and no one can lose it. What it is?
Shadow.
Shanwat, sir.
Shadow.
Yeah, correct. Thank you. Thank you everyone for taking a part in it.
Wow. Uma Kulthum, you have started the class with a bang, you know, everyone was interested. Please continue.
Okay, sir. My name is Ume Kulsum. I'm a student of a Color Foundation. My topic is Unsmile. May I know what is the smile?
Smile is the
Smile is the happiness of the life. It's happiness.
Smile is nothing but to show happiness to someone is called smile.
wow.
And,
Smile that we express on the face.
A facial expression of smile.
Yeah, correct. It's a facial expression of eyes, brightness of your face.
What about lips?
Yeah, sir, your lips.
Smile is
It's
a
face,
symbol.
sir.
So, Ume
Sorry?
Kulthum,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
Ashraf Unisa.
Someone wants to ask me?
Yeah, Ume Kulthum, I was saying, instead of applying makeup, why can't you apply smile on your face 24/7 into 365?
so I got
Uh,
one quote
First word,
regarding
I'll
smile.
not apply the makeup, sir.
Is
I'll
it?
apply the smile.
You will apply the smile.
Yes, sir.
How much kg?
Infinite, sir.
Indefinite. Yeah, Bushra, please speak what you want to say.
Yeah, I want to say one quote on smile.
Hmm.
That's some people don't need makeup to apply on their face. Just smile makes them look beautiful.
Yes, obviously.
Yeah,
You know,
awesome.
for example, your trainer Shahnwat sir. Exactly. Thank you very much, Bushra.
Smile and the world will be smile with you. Do you agree with it?
No.
I really believe this to be true, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
With a
yes.
little bit of our personal experience, I would like to tell you why we should keep on smiling. I totally believe that a true smile is the best way to keep you in a good mood, activeness, and a smile is the way of showing your happiness, love, friendness, appreciation, and kindness towards the people.
Exactly.
In this tough time, it's very difficult to smile, I guess.
Yes. Yes.
Some of the people have forgotten to smile.
Many of them.
This is the situation where we have to bring the smiles towards our loved ones and the other people who have forgotten the smile. If we show us smiley face. Maybe they can also smile. Sometimes they may get angry when they'll be very sad, but it's somehow we can bring a smile. I get how we can bring a smile to others' face. May I know?
Joking.
By making them happy.
Rice.
Giving them gift.
Gift. Yeah. Example, chocolates.
By helping them. Yeah.
Helping them.
Giving our time to them.
Yeah.
Cracking
Not leaving them alone.
by
Yeah.
cracking.
Making their favorite food, not leaving them alone in this tough time. You would be asking them, how could you help them? It's make them automatically smile because they won't think that no one is there with us. But when they realize that you are with them, they'll automatically smile. May I know why is smile important in our life?
Because it makes us happy.
Anyone else?
Yeah, it's making us happy and our health is also improving. We are smiling and happy.
And smiling is important. Will be active.
Smiling
Yeah.
is important because if we smile, we feel happy and our health will be very good.
Yeah, correct. Well,
also-
smiling. Yes, sir.
And we will be active.
Yeah, Louisa, smiling makes acting. Also, my friend got admitted to hospital once he smiled, you know.
Yeah, sir. That's a great one. When we smile, according to the science, our brain chemistry will change. So when we'll smile, it's automatically get changed.
I was saying when he smiled, he got admitted to hospital
Which
because
hospital, sir?
You
Why,
want to
sir?
face a problem with the smile. Let it be anything. We should smile.
instead of asking how is my friend, you are asking which hospital. Oh my God.
No.
Yeah,
Sir,
I
I
will tell.
think you are saying.
So
I'm
I
telling
would like to
You are
hear.
Yeah,
Oh,
let me
sorry?
complete. Let me complete, boys and girls. Actually, it was in girls' college and he was standing in the bus stand. So unfortunately, all the girls were there and he smiled. So all the girls thrashed him. Now he is admitted to hospital. So smile is
So I
little
asked,
bit
sir.
danger also, you know.
So I
So I was
asked,
telling
sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
if I'm smiling, it's not a mean that I am well and fine.
No, girls can smile everywhere. Boys, I'm telling you, if you smile, obviously the person will come. Why are you smiling? Where are you smiling? How are you smiling? Who are you? Oh my God! Especially in the front of girls' college or school or bus stand or any public, you are not supposed to smile. If you smile, attack directly. You know.
Yes, sir. Even they'll be calling mad.
Yeah, they will call mad. Are you crazy? Why are you smiling? Oh my God, I'm feeling happy. I'm crying. I'm smiling. So what bothers you? No, don't smile here. All aunties and grandmothers are there. So I'm like, oh my God, what is this? Okay, thank you. I will never smile in my life. You know, I don't want to go to jail by smiling, you know. So smiling is something, it depends on the situation where you are supposed to smile and where you are not.
Yes, sir.
And then we
Yeah.
have
If you are going
Sir,
on.
smiling is the shining way of face, no, sir?
Wow. Kulsum, I have one request.
Yes, sir.
Please request all the students on the screen to switch on their video and show their smile.
Yeah, sir. Everyone, I would like to say that, sir.
Yeah,
I want
sir,
to
we are
see everyone smile.
Yeah, but don't show their videos, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow, you are so beautiful. The best smile is no doubt Louisa. She is in UKG, that is the reason. Ashraf Nisa, Naushaba Hassan, Gulfasha Banu. Yeah, thank you very much. Wow. So Kulsum is supposed to say, show her video first. Yeah. All right, remaining boys and girls. Ayan Khan, oh my God, he looks like Salman Khan. Okay, boys and girls, please we request, and Umm Kulsum is requesting, show your face, not like in angry face, smiling face. Oh my God, Nuzhat Fatima is she's in some. I mean to say.
It's no problem. You have not applied the makeup. Smile is a beautiful makeup for you.
For example, Shahnwaz sir, look at my face, how natural I am, you know. Just yesterday I did my plastic surgery. Come on, boys and girls. Yeah, thank you. Ruqayya Fatima, wow. Thank you very much. That smile, you know. I hope Muhammad Abdullah, his 2 teeth has been broken. He could not smile and he is not present also. Just imagine if your teeth has been broken and then you smile. Opposite person in kidney heart attack it will get, you know. Yeah. So boys and girls, I request everyone to request Seema Banu to please show her smile. Okay, boys and girls, please unmute yourself. You are supposed to say, Seema Banu, ma'am, please show your face, smiling face.
Seema Banu, ma'am.
I'm really sorry. I cannot. It's a further matter.
Please,
I'm really
ma'am.
sorry.
Please, ma'am.
The
Yeah.
students who know me in the school, they know my smile. But here,
It's very
as it is
beautiful.
on live,
Yeah.
I'm really sorry.
Yeah, obviously. So boys and girls, option 1, obviously no makeup. Option 2 is hijab. We have to cover our face, hijab, obviously. Option 3, privacy. And option 4 is Seema Banu, ma'am is very, very private person, you know, it's like that.
No, sir. She's very good, and there's further matters, so she's not showing her face, as she said.
Okay. So whatever you said, we could not hear properly, but your voice was very good, Bushra Fatima. Thank you. Okay, no problem, Seema Banu. It's like online, we can understand. And let me tell you, we are not going to show your face and broadcast in the YouTube channel. Only my face, you know, the one and only my face will be broadcasted, as you can see in all the, I mean to say the sessions and the batches. Okay, on the YouTube channel. So thank you very much. So where is she? Umm Kulsum, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
I thought you finished your lunch and you came back. Please continue.
No, sir.
Yeah.
I would like to share with you some reasons of the smiling every day. Every day. Can anyone say me any reasons?
Yeah, the first reason is my mom, and second reason is my opposite house auntie.
Why, sir?
She always give.
Excuse me.
Yeah, Bushra.
Yes?
Louisa.
Didi, can you repeat the question, please?
Give me some reasons to smile every day.
When we
Always
get up
my
and our
small
back space.
sister and my mother.
When we get up and at the morning and we still
Okay,
You are
boys
blessed
and girls.
to have this beautiful life, so you can smile each moment.
Yes. Each and every moment is the opportunity to smile, you know.
And when we are with our friends, we will also.
Okay. So I think if someone hits you or someone is giving you punishment, then you smile, then you are the perfect person in the world, according to me, you know, because opposite person's heart will melt.
that is enough.
No, sir, we can't smile in front of them, sir. It will be hurting them.
No, you are taking punishment, Umm Kulsum. You are taking punishment. Okay. And after that also, if you are smiling, obviously opposite person will come to know that, yeah, after taking punishment also is smiling. That means obviously you have apologized. After apologizing also, you are getting punishment. Then you are smiling. Then opposite person's heart will start melting. Yeah, it's good. According to me, I'm saying. But it can make more angry also to them.
Yes, sir. I have tried it, sir, so I'm saying.
Oh, so what was the weapon they used on you? Stick, gas cylinder?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay.
Like, he got very angry and he went, sir.
So
What a manners.
punch and kicks, right?
No, sir.
Okay, Kulsum, just joking. Okay, boys and girls, Kulsum's last point, because we have Ikram Khan also and followed by
Yes, sir.
Naushaba
I'm going
Hassan.
to wind
Please.
up with this.
Yeah, please wind up, Kulsum.
Smiling every day, standing in front of mirror, can you get a confidence and a good starting with the morning? If you see your face getting up in the morning and seeing your danger faces, it's automatic make you laugh when you see your face. It's and good to smile standing in front of the mirror early morning.
Yes.
Okay.
Smiling
That-
may change. Smiling may change your health. Like it's smiling will be reduce your control your BP. You know the what is BP mean full form? Blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure. Smiling reduce your pain. Smiling makes you attractive. Smiling suggests success. Smiling help you stay positive. Smiling help you live longer. Smiling event moods. I would to conclude this through a thought. Every little smile can touch everyone's heart. No one is born to happy. No one is born happy, but all of us are born with a ability to create a happiness. Thank you, everyone, listening me
Okay.
patiently, and I would like to thank Shanawaz sir giving me such an amazing opportunity to speak, and Colors Foundation to have keep creating classes and giving us such a good opportunity to students to make their career here. Thank you everyone, and thank you Colors Foundation and Shahnawaz Afzal sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, Kulsum, thank you very much for your precious time. You gave a lot of knowledge. Yeah, Bushra.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Sayyida Faria.
What are you?
Sir, I'm not
Tell loud.
Shall I tell now?
Yeah. Mehek Fatima, please wait. Mute yourself. Sayyida Faria, you can speak.
I'm not attending next session. Shall I say, sir?
Yeah, please.
Can I start now?
No, Sayyida Faria, you have to wait. As we mentioned, you are going to speak about Colors Foundation or topic
Yeah,
or
yeah.
about me, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Please say the Faria. Please wait, because we have the 3 to 4 batch also. Please wait, because what happens here is we are going systematically. Okay.
Sir, I'm not attending the session because I'm going to
Louisa,
madrasa.
please. Yeah. Say the Faria. You're going to madrasa. No problem. Say the Faria. I mean to say, what happens, they both are ready. Ikram Khan and Nosaba Hassan. So say the Faria, is it possible? You can do it tomorrow. I will write your name. Okay, say the Faria.
Okay.
Okay, say the Faria. Thank you. Yeah, Louisa.
Sir, even I can join in 3 o'clock batch, sir.
Yeah, Louisa, we will be sending you the link. You can join 3 to 4 batch. Okay.
No, sir, I have the link.
Okay, thank you, Louisa. After having the link also, you are asking the permission. Wow, Louisa, you are special. Okay, Louisa, please mute yourself. Boys and girls, you know very well, we appreciate. So it is the time to appreciate Kulsum. Unmute yourself and please appreciate Kulsum.
Well done.
Well done.
Well done.
Thank you, dear friends. Thank you so much.
Okay. Ikram Khan, are you ready? Muhammad Ikram Khan, are you ready?
Hello.
Yeah, are you ready, Muhammad Ikram Khan?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, boys and girls, he is going to speak about the present situation, that is pandemic and the vaccines. I want everyone to even note down some points, Yeah, Muhammad Ikram Khan, please start.
Yeah, good afternoon, all. I would like to continue with my topic on COVID vaccination. Yesterday, as I told about Covishield and Covaxin. And Covishield is developed by Serum Institute of India, and the other name for Covishield is which is developed by Oxford and AstraZeneca, and Covaxin is developed by Bharat Biotech and ICMR. Hello.
Yeah, Mohammad Ikram Khan, how much time you required? 5 minutes, 10 minutes?
Like yeah, sir, 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, so will you complete in 5 minutes, because I would like to give the chance to Abdul Hafiz, okay?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
Abdul
like,
Hafiz, you will be next. Abdul Hafiz, you will be next. I think your topic is,
I am ready.
Yeah, your topic is goals and self-confidence. Please arrange your headphones, Abdul Hafiz, okay?
The vaccine should be taken in 2 doses. Like if you
Yes.
take first dose today, and like Covaxin, for example, you have to take 2 doses. If you take first dose on June 2nd, and the second dose you have to take after 4 to 6 weeks, so that when you take the vaccine, the antibodies develop. What is meant by antibodies means a substance that the body produces in the blood to fight against diseases. That's the meaning of antibodies. So after taking the vaccine, you may have the symptoms like headache and muscle pain and chill and fever. These are the common symptoms. And same with Covishield, you have to take 2 doses, and same thing, but the duration is for Covaxin is 4 to 6 weeks, but for Covishield you have to wait after taking first dose. You have to wait 4 to 8 weeks. That's the duration of Covishield. And now after these 2 vaccines, the another 2 vaccines are one is Sputnik V, that is Russian vaccine, which is developed by Gamaleya National Center of Epidemiology and Microbiology in Moscow. And the other name for Sputnik V is GAM COVID vaccine. The efficiency rate of these vaccines are like for Covaxin. The Covaxin is 70 to 100% is efficiency rate for Covaxin, but for Covishield is 70 to 91% efficiency rate. That is effective. And for Sputnik V, it is recently in whole of Russia, almost half of the Russian population is vaccinated, which is vaccinated by Sputnik V, which is developed by Gamaleya National Center of Epidemiology and Microbiology in Moscow. And even this is very effective, and so the government of India have approved this, and this will be available from June 2nd week only in Apollo. The cost of this Sputnik V is almost 1155 something with GST and all. And one second, sir.
Yeah, please.
What yesterday I told about 2-DG, that is 2-deoxy D-glucose, which is manufactured by DRDO. That is one of the famous, they are the group of scientists which work on the research projects. They have developed this, and which is basically used for when it is like immense, will be of immense benefit to the people suffering from COVID-19, and it is very effective. One of the example is the patient. He was in MP Bhopal. He was suffering from COVID-19. The first this vaccine, the 2-DG was vaccinated to one of the patient in Bhopal. He was 89 years. He was suffering from COVID-19. When this vaccine was given, his saturation level was about 55 to 65. Then after giving this 2-DG, which comes in a sachet, I told you yesterday, and
Yes.
After giving this, the saturation level was about 85 to 90, almost the normal level of oxygen. So after seeing this, the government of India have approved this vaccine for emergency.
Okay, one second.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ikram Khan, are you working in the lab, or you are in the science
No, sir.
students? Or
Right now I'm
doctor?
pursuing my B.Pharm.
Okay, good, excellent. That's related to medical, right? Pharmacy.
Yeah.
Okay, Ikram Khan, it's an excellent knowledge. So I just want to stop you, boys and girls. Ikram Khan will be joining in 3 to 4 batch also. I want each and every student to at least ask one question. Okay, everyone has to ask question related to the co-vaccine at present situation. Everyone is getting vaccinated, right? So my question was, Ikram Khan, what is the age?
My age, sir.
No. I mean to say a person who is taking
Like
this vaccine.
Sir, before it was like 45 to above like 65. Now they have made mandatory for 18 to 25, even they can take now, because from May 22nd, they have started to give, like you have to register on CoWIN app and you have to get it done.
Okay, Ikram Khan, just a
Yeah.
second. Abdul Hafiz, can you finish it in 5 minutes? You have got 5 minutes. Is it okay, Abdul Hafiz?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay, Ikram Khan, I hope you are joining 3 to 4 batch, right?
Yes, sir, I'll join.
So we will have more conversation. We'll start with you, then we'll go to the next students, obviously.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Noshaba Hassan, you don't have any problem, right?
No, sir.
All right. So, Abdul Hafiz, please start.
Sir, I can tomorrow also I can continue,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah,
Today,
Noshaba Hassan.
yeah,
Yeah.
sir. I'm
voice clear?
listening. It's very much important and very good topic. I'm listening.
Okay. Yeah. Also, Faria and Noshaba Hassan and many more students. We have still 2 more days time. Don't worry. Let us start with Abdul Hafiz. Abdul Hafiz, please start. Your voice is very much loud and clear.
My voice clear? Yeah. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Good afternoon to everyone. Today is Wednesday, so wonderful to see you again. Today I am going to be your trainer for a couple of minutes. So hope you all get benefit and it will be professional too. First of all, thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk in front of brilliant students and teachers. First, I would like to say that I would like to introduce myself. My name is Abdul Hafiz. I am native to Bangalore. I am an Islamic educational student in Madrasa Mahadul Ulum Al Islamia in focus of Alimiyat, as well as I am a student of personality development, spoken English training classes from Colors Foundation. I would like to say that I have been studying in Madrasa since my childhood. I have spent a very little time in school. So I will do my best to convey the message in the best possible way.
Abdul Hafiz,
So,
you got 2 minutes,
today's
40
topic
seconds.
is-
Okay.
Yeah, okay. My today's topic is goals and self-confidence. There are 2 types of goals, short-term goals and long-term goals. Can anyone tell me what is short-term goals and long-term goals meant by?
Which is completed in a fraction of time, very short time. The goals what we have supposed to do, which will get completed very quickly. Long-term goals are like future planning.
Yeah, exactly. Short-term goals, those which can be achieved in short period of time, like develop one good habit every day, explore something new in every day, and attend a personality development Shanawas session every day, like whatever. So long-term goals, those goals which can be achieved in long period of time, like becoming a leader in your field, or buy a house, or becoming a well human being. If we don't have any goal, we cannot achieve anything. Is I right?
Exactly.
One way to become successful in life is to set your own goals. There are different types of goals, like achieving
Exactly,
first
right.
rank, becoming doctor. Setting goals is used to by this one second. Yeah. Setting goals is used to by business people, artists, bodybuilders, and almost everyone who wants to achieve something in life. And one more big advantage of setting a goal is it gives motivation to complete it, and it can help us to keep track of time organization, and it gives a vision of approximately how long it will take to achieve this goal and how much work will be need to be done. Setting goals, an individual can increase self-confidence because we can realize just how much we can achieve. Who is the best motivator? Can anyone tell me? In
Bill
our
Gates.
life.
Oh, you mean to say in our life? Obviously, our Godfather. You
I
mean to say Father?
May I say?
Teacher.
Yeah.
We
Yeah, Bushra.
ourselves are the best motivator to our life. We are
Yeah,
always the best.
exactly. Yeah, you are on your best motivator. Your motivation must come